Hello everyone. Okay, so to pick up from DNA structure, how is DNA organized in prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells? I've written in prokaryotes and eukaryotes, which is in prokaryotic cells, eukaryotic cells. DNA is double-stranded, circular or linear. Okay. It is depends on where it's in the cells. In the nucleus of eukaryotic cells, it's linear, but it's actually curled up, wrapped up. In bacteria, in prokaryotes, it's circular. Okay. So that's the eukaryotic cell form. This is the prokaryotic cell form. Bacteria, animals and plants. Okay, bacteria. Prokaryotic cells, bacteria, have no nucleus. They're bacteria. They're plasmids, which are circles of DNA. This is actually the definition. This is a description of how prokaryotic cells differ from eukaryotic cells. So how do bacteria differ from plants and animals? Bacteria, they have no nucleus and they have plasmids, circles of DNA. Okay. Eukaryotic cells, which are animals and plants, have a nucleus. There are no plasmids. Okay. But they do have, plants and animals do have circles of DNA in the mitochondria and chloroplasts, okay? The plant and animal cells, the nucleus contains DNA, but the mitochondria and chloroplasts also have a little circle of DNA, okay? An animal mitochondria contains a circle of DNA. Yeah, and so plant chloroplasts have the circle of DNA. Mitochondria are present in eukaryotes. They're absent in prokaryotes. Okay. Chloroplasts are also present in eukaryotes, but are absent in prokaryotes. Okay. Present in eukaryotes, absent in prokaryotes. DNA is very long. It is many hundreds of times longer than the diameter of a cell. But it's coiled up and packaged to fit in the nucleus. I believe the length of DNA in a cell is about 3 meters, I think. I'd have to look the number up, but I think it's about 3 meters. It's pretty long. But it's packaged up to fit into the nucleus. It's tightly coiled. Okay? This is this diagram of how it's coiled up. Okay, you can take that name out because you don't need to know it. The DNA is coiled around these red protein clusters. Okay, bundles I've called them here. The red bundles of protein. They're coiled around a couple of times around each one. Okay. There's actually several levels of coiling that go on, but yeah, they're coiled up like this, okay, and that's how it's packaged into the nucleus of animal and plant cells, which are eukaryotic cells. Okay, I'll see you next video.